Look closely at how this cursor moves. It's navigating complex web interfaces, clicking dropdowns, and pulling data, completely on its own. This screen shows the OpenAI Codex Chrome Extension in action. It allows you to browse using your real accounts, automate repetitive tasks, and spin up parallel sub-agents to scale your work. Before we start, you need two things in place. Make sure you're running the latest build of the Codex desktop application, and verify you are actively logged in to your target websites inside Chrome. By tying directly into your active, authenticated session, Codex moves past basic web scraping. It acts as an extension of your own profile, handling tasks exactly as you would. This menu shows the exact environments where your code can run. Notice the green checks under Internet Tasks for the Chrome extension. This marks the difference between testing in a safe local app sandbox and executing tasks out on the live internet. When you launch Codex, it automatically connects to your active Chrome profile, linking the environments. Because of this, the agent shares your active session cookies. This means it can bypass secondary login walls and jump straight to work without needing credentials a second time. To do this, the system requires broad permissions. As highlighted here, Codex needs the ability to read and modify all website data in order to navigate pages and input information. That level of access introduces a specific risk. This terminal displays a malicious payload error. It happens when a hostile website attempts prompt injection, feeding hidden text into the page to hijack the agent's instructions. Codex treats all external page content as actively hostile by default. That leaves you as the final security gatekeeper. You must verify your targeted sites. To set this up safely, open the desktop application and look to the bottom left. Click on the Plugins menu to open the marketplace. Use the search bar to find the Chrome integration and locate the specific card titled Control Chrome with Codex. Before clicking anything, check the publisher. You must verify it is officially listed as OpenAI. Installing unverified plugins exposes your browser to counterfeit software. Once you click Add, the desktop app hands off the process to Chrome. The browser will launch automatically and present a final installation prompt for you to approve. Taking 10 seconds to verify the official source secures your browser from unauthorized access and keeps your automation system locked down. Step 1 in running a task is opening a fresh chat to clear any previous context. Then, simply type the @Chrome tag to activate browser control. A secure prompt requires two specific elements, the exact target URL and a precise action verb. After you hit Enter, Codex pauses. It will always trigger a pop-up asking for explicit permission to access the domain. Click Allow to authorize the action. You will know the AI is driving when the yellow automated software banner appears. You can watch as the agent takes over the active tab, navigates the page, and types directly into the fields. Here is the rule for live execution. Keep your hands off the mouse. Physically clicking or typing while the agent works will interrupt the sequence and break the automation. This split screen highlights the difference between vague commands and precise targeting. Broad requests for random surfing often expose you to payload errors. Pointing the agent strictly at known URLs ensures clean, safe data extraction. Once you establish a safe path, you can scale it up. You can assign a single main prompt and distribute it to multiple sub-agents simultaneously. The dashboard tracks this in real time. Each progress bar represents a parallel Chrome tab running concurrently, scraping multiple pages to aggregate the requested data. Pairing verified target domains with parallel sub-agents turns a basic text prompt into a high-capacity data processing engine. Your browser is now configured to handle repetitive tasks automatically. Remember the 3 operational rules. Always verify your sites, keep an eye on your parallel tabs, and use the @Chrome tag to seamlessly route your tasks. By standardizing this secure workflow, you eliminate repetitive copy-pasting, letting the AI handle the data entry while you focus on the results.